So teaming with Scala Precision Health is a natural fit for the Central Florida Academy of Sports Medicine. Just the way that a multitude of testing and diagnoses and interpretation of that testing is used at Scala Precision Health to make the best possible outcome for anyone's medical situation, we do a similar level of testing and a degree of assessments which are going to give the most individualized and best program outcome for whatever fitness goal the client has. I was working in the telecom industry when I was in my early 20s, having graduated with a business degree. And I wasn't especially happy. I was overweight, probably about 300 pounds at that time. Never had exercised before and was never involved in any kind of fitness. And what ended up happening was my girlfriend at the time, her mother was always reading exercise books about different fad exercise programs and so on and so forth. And I discovered one that tied in business principles, since I had a business degree, with weight loss principles. It interested me. I started following the program and I started losing weight. Well, soon enough, I ended up getting a job at a commercial fitness facility as a personal trainer, got certified, and started helping other people go through those same changes, having personally known what it really takes to get results. We see the onset of chronic conditions such as diabetes and cardiovascular disease and non-contact injuries that occur quite often in relation to poor muscle lengths or lack of strength training. What we do is implement a system that's used to identify any type of issue with the muscle or any type of issue with the cardiovascular system that could contribute to injury or some type of chronic disease. We implement a specific program for each person that's going to resolve their issue, make them healthier, and make them much more fit.